and linear inequality 2x plus y less or equal 6 is given to us, we have to find out the x and y intercept of this linear inequality, and then we have to find out the solution set of this linear inequality. Also we have to draw the graph of this linear inequality. Solution: first of all we have to convert this linear inequality into equality. It means the 2x plus y is equal to 6. It is the auxiliary or characteristics equation of the linear given inequalities. It is our equation 1. Now we have to find out the x-intercept. To find x-intercept, replace y is equal to 0 in equation 1. It means to find out the x-intercept of this equation, we have to replace y is equal to 0 by in this equation, and then to find out the y-intercept we have to put or replace x by 0. Now we are going to find out the x-intercept, so we have to replace y is equal to 0 in equation 1. 2x plus 0 is equal to 6. Now 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 divided by 2. It is equal to 3. It means x-intercept is equal to 3. To find y-intercept, we have to replace x is equal to 0 in equation 1. Now 2x is replaced by 0 plus y is equal to 6. 0 plus y is equal to 6 and y is equal to 6, and its y-intercept is 6. As the x-intercept of this equation is 3 and its y-intercept is 6, so the solution set of this linear inequality is a order pair xy. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. Now we have to draw the graph of this linear inequality. X-axis, x-axis, x prime axis, y-axis, and it is our y prime axis. As we know that its x-intercept was 3 and y-intercept was 6. First of all we have to draw the number line on this graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As in our x and y-intercept are, x-intercept is 3. So on the x-axis, 3 is a point and y is equal to 6, and y is equal to 6 is that point. And now we have to join these 2 points. Now we have to take a test point. Test point means we have to put the value of x and y is equal to 0, 0 in the given linear inequality. It means to test point x is replaced by 0 plus y is replaced by 0 less or equal 6. 2 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 0 less or equal 6. 0 plus 0 less or equal to 6. 0 less than 6, which is true. and it is true 0, and it is true as 0 is always less than 6. When the test point is true, then we have to draw the line or shade the graph toward the origin. It is the origin, so we have to draw the graph toward the origin. So it is the graph of the solution set of the linear inequality